Hi folks, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube, and this is a very beginner friendly strategy that you can literally just take and go with it once you finish watching this video. And it's a strategy that's helped me generate over $30,000 in affiliate sales, and I'll show you proof of that very shortly. And besides showing you that, the proof and the strategy of how this works, I'm also going to be showing you how I personally upload a video to YouTube and promote an affiliate product through it, so you can actually use that as reference and you can do this on your own. Now, in addition to all of this, I do recommend that you watch this entire video and take notes on this stuff and ask me questions if they pop up, because if you're new to this stuff, it's very important that you look at all the details and how these things are done. So the way that I'm going to break down this video is I'm going to show you, first of all, proof of the 30,000 in sales, and followed by that is I'm going to show you the overall idea of how the strategy works, and it's actually rather simple. The third part is I'm going to show you how to get started with doing affiliate marketing on YouTube, and then I'll show you how to create affiliate links, and finally I'll personally upload a video that shows you this strategy in action. So let's get started with that. The first thing that I'm going to show you is the proof, and to show you some of the proof, I'm going to show you a video right here. Now, this video is one of my most successful and ugliest videos that I've ever made in my life. It was one of the first videos that I created on YouTube. It was reviewing a program called Wealthy Affiliate. I'm just going to remove this real quick so you don't see my face and you can see the actual affiliate link. Now, this video generated over 22,000 views, which may not seem like a lot, but when it comes to affiliate marketing, you don't really need like millions and millions of views to make a lot of money, and I'll show you in a second how much this video generated me. So in this video, it was very unprofessional. I wasn't showing my face. It was just very poorly, no editing whatsoever, very badly done video, but I decided to go ahead and just get my feet wet when it comes to affiliate marketing on YouTube, and so I uploaded it and I included a link to the program. So in this program I reviewed, it's like over 18 minutes long, and this link right here is an affiliate link. When people click on this affiliate link, I actually encoded it so I can tell if there was sales coming in to this program from the YouTube video, and I encoded it. I don't know if you can see it right here. It says YouTube YT. That stands for YouTube. So I will know that if a sale came in, it'll say YT on it. And in fact, that's exactly what happened. Let me show you right over here. Yep, there it is. So these income reports actually come from that YouTube video. See, it says YT, 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 YT. All of these are sales for the same YouTube video that I just showed you. And here it says all-time sales, 37, 19, 29, 19, 10. This adds up to 95 sales made overall, and the value of each of these sales is $170, and if you multiply 95 sales by $170, you get over $16,000 in profit that this video has made me. And again, this is a very ugly video that I made, so if you're shy about making YouTube videos and are worried that it's not overly professional or stuff like that, you shouldn't be. You can definitely get started with YouTube. What matters most of all is the way that you speak, the way that you explain things. So in addition to that, here's another video that I have for you over here. This is a video where I was reviewing a backpack a long time ago while I was hiking, and it got over 30,000 views. And again, here's an affiliate link that goes to an Amazon page that promotes this product. And really simple, 3-minute video. My buddy was recording me on his phone, and this video got a lot of views, and this stuff works. So now that I've provided the proof, and there's actually even more proof, like I said, it was 30,000 in sales. There's actually more examples that I'm going to show you in the link below this video. I had a video that made me over like 12,000, and then there's others. But yeah, the 30,000 mark is an honest number here. So the second part of this video talks about how to actually do affiliate marketing, which is the overall idea. So let me get into that. What is the overall idea behind my strategy? Well, it's to review products that you own, and you basically put them up and promote them on YouTube. Now, this is a strategy that I'm not really unique on, which means that there's other people to do this too. I just have my own take on how I do this. So basically the idea is that you take products that you own, you get an affiliate link to promote them, and then you create YouTube videos reviewing those products and promoting them. Now, this leads to the third area, which is how do you actually get started? What do you review, and how do you actually review it? And this is where I suggest that you take products that you own and that you know a lot about, and you review them. So let me give you a few examples. This is a Samsung S8 Plus. I could review that. Here is a drone that I own. This is a Mavic Air. This is like 800, 900 bucks. I can promote that as well, and I'll show you how to do that in the next step. Here are some cameras. There's a GoPro Hero 5, and this is a Osmo Pocket. It's also a camera. So just different various products that I own, I could review. The very laptop that I'm using right now to record this video is called the Acer Predator. The camera that I'm using right now to record this video is called the Logitech Capture. The voice that you're hearing me from is thanks to a microphone called the Yeti mic. So all of these things that I just explained are things that I could literally review as an affiliate. I can create videos reviewing all these things. Let's say the camera that I'm speaking to you through, and I can say, hey, look how awesome I look in it, or look how awesome I sound by recording this Yeti mic. Or I can talk about this phone and say, oh, look how awesome this phone is. And I can make these videos reviewing these products and linking to promote them. And that leads me into the next part, which is how do you actually create affiliate links. So let me give you a few examples here by going into Amazon. So as you can, so this is actually my Amazon affiliate page, but I'm just going to give you a few examples. Here's the laptop that I own. Here is the microphone that I'm using to talk to you guys. Here is the camera that I'm using to record myself through. I'm going to choose to show you how to create a link to promote this mic right here, the Yeti mic. In fact, the video that I'm going to be uploading is reviewing this product already, and this just makes it easier for me to explain this to you. So if I wanted to promote this, what exactly would I need to do? Well, the key is I need to sign up with a program called Amazon Associates. And Amazon Associates is the program that is connected to Amazon that allows me to promote their products as an affiliate. And this is probably where you want to get started. There's a bunch of affiliate programs out there that you can join, but the best one, in my opinion, to get started with is Amazon Associates. You will literally get access to probably millions of products to promote. And let me just show you how to get started with that. So in Google, I'm just going to go into I'm going to type in Amazon Associates. I'm going to go into Amazon. And by the way, if you're, I'm going to make this really quick. So if you are confused about creating affiliate links, you can just click on the link below this video, and it'll give you even more instructions on how to do that. I'm going to type in Yeti microphone. I'm going to click on go, and it's going to give me the very microphone that I was just showing you, which is right here. This very mic. Look at that. There it is right there. Now I'm going to click on get link. And after I click on get link, I'm going to click on text only. I'm going to click on short link. And again, if I'm going through these instructions very fast, don't worry, I've included another video through my website, which is provided in the description of this video, and it'll give you all the details about creating affiliate links. Now this link right here, this is my affiliate link. So if I open it up, see, it takes people to the Yeti mic, and this is actually my affiliate link. So I'm going to take that link, I'm going to copy it. And now, for the last part that we're going to be talking about, I'm going to show you how to actually upload the video. Now, before I upload the video to YouTube, let me actually play it for you because it's very short. In that video, I'm reviewing the mic that I'm going to be promoting just so you get an idea of how this works. So I'm going to go into my website. I'm going to click on this, and then we're going to watch this video real quick, and we're going to analyze it just so you can see how to review products.
Hi folks, this is a very quick review of the Yeti mic. I actually have it set up right up here, and I just want to show you the difference in how my voice sounds when I'm using this mic versus something like, say, a default mic. So I'm going to switch over real quick to my default mic from the Yeti, which is what you're hearing right now, so you can tell the difference. So I'm going to switch over in 3, 2, 1. And you'll probably hear that my voice has changed a lot, and that's because I switched over to my default mic. And you can probably tell that it's substantially worse than when I was using the Yeti mic. So I just want to tell you that using the Yeti mic has greatly improved my affiliate sales and overall the quality of my videos, and I highly recommend it. I'm going to include a link below this YouTube video which you can check out, and this is what the Yeti mic looks like, and you can check this out for yourself and use it on your own. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so that is the video that I'm going to be uploading to YouTube. And in that video, notice how simple it was. I was talking about the mic. I actually did a test so people can see how high quality the microphone is, and that makes it easier to sell. And because I own the product and I know about it, it's much easier for me to review it. And this is also a popular product, so people generally like to look for popular products on YouTube, and this is just a great way of doing it. So that video I'm going to be uploading to YouTube right now. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to go into YouTube right now. Let me just start right here. I'm going to click on create a video or post. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on upload video. I'm going to click on select file, and there's that video that I was just showing you. And while it is uploading, YouTube is going to allow me to create a title, a description, and in the description is where I'm going to put the affiliate link, but I'll show you how that works. So very important, when you are uploading a YouTube video, there's more involved to it than just meets the eye. We want to create a title that is very attractive to people because attractive titles get more viewers. Good descriptions get more clicks on your affiliate link. Good tags get more exposure to your video. So let me show you how this works. So as I'm uploading this video, I usually like to use the word review with whatever product that I'm using. And in this case, I say Yeti mic review. Here is how much better I sound with it. And I like to use an exclamation point so people can actually see it. Like this title basically tells people, hey, you should check this out to see how much better how great this product is. So that's a pretty good title. And in the description, here's something that's very important to understand. You basically get a lot of space to write your description of the product. But it's the first 2 lines of space that you create that are the most important. That's where you want to put your affiliate link in. So the way that I'm going to show you this is I'm going to type in, hey, thanks for watching this review of the Yeti mic. Click here to get it. And I will paste the very same affiliate link that I was just showing you below. So when people watch this review, and again, in this review, by the way, I did say, I included a link to check out the Yeti mic below so people will know that that's where they can get it from. My link will show up over here, and that's a pretty good description. The first 2 lines are the most important. If you have more affiliate links that you want to add and do all that kind of stuff, that's totally up to you, but it's the first 2 lines that matter the most. I'm going to scroll down, and over here it says thumbnail. Now, with thumbnails, you can choose how you want your image to appear, and you won't get the option to upload your own image until you have over 1,000 subscribers. So if you watch my history of videos, you'll notice sometimes I'll say like I'll put up like a big red banner and I'll put up a title on it or something like that. You can't really do that until you have 1,000 subscribers. So until then, just use this feature where you can choose one of these 3 images. So let me go back into this. Forget about thumbnail for now. Playlist, let's see, no need for playlist. Now this is another one. Audience, is this video made for kids? So as I'm making this video, a very big YouTube change has come about, which is known as the COPPA Act, which basically says that if your content is not for kids, that you should basically label it as not for kids. Because we are doing affiliate marketing, I recommend that you put no, that is not for kids. So that's what I'm going to put up over here, and I'm going to type in no, it's not made for kids. And when I click on the next one, which is more options, this is where that's going to say paid promotion. You don't need to click on any of this. If there is a paid promotion, if somebody's like, nobody's paying me to promote this product. I am basically making this own individual review, so I'm just going to leave these blank. Now tags. Tags are basically keywords that I'm going to put in so people can identify what this thing is. This basically tells YouTube, hey YouTube, these are the words that I want people to find me through. So if they go on YouTube and they type in Yeti mic review, things like that, I want my video to appear for that. So those terms that I just put up, those are the terms that I'm going to put into the tag section. So I'm going to tags section. So I'm going to put on Yeti microphone. I'm going to click enter and see how it just turned into a keyword over there. Yeti microphone review. So these 2 are enough for now, but you can put in as many relevant terms as you want over here. After that, yes, it's English, captions none, recording none, standard YouTube license, leave this as it is, category how-to style, perfectly fine, everything else is fine. I'm going to click on next. Now in this next section, I don't need any of that. I'm going to click on next again. Now when it says publish now, see how it says public, unlisted, and private? Leave it as public. If you're doing affiliate marketing, it's very important that your video be public. So this is what you're going to do. Click on public, and after that, you're going to click on, let's see, just making sure, publish, no, boom, that's it, publish. And now your video is going to be published, and this is my product review, and this is the link that they're going to give me, so now I can watch it on YouTube. Here it is. That very same video that I was showing you right now is now going to appear for Yeti mic review. Now this is a very simple example that I just gave you, but this is basically what you want to do, rinse and repeat. So this product was one product review that I did. You can do a bunch of different product reviews yourself. You can record it with your phone. You can create different videos like I'm creating now with the camera that I'm using, and I've included links to that below this video as well if you need these resources. But most important, importantly, the most important resource is the link below the video. The very first link is going to take you into my website that's going to explain all of this topic for free. You don't have to sign up to anything. Just read this very same topic, and you're going to get more instructions on that if you need it. The important thing to understand is that when it comes to YouTube and affiliate marketing, be authentic. The way that I'm explaining things to you right now, I mean, I hope I'm not coming off as like some kind of actor or just like trying too hard. I'm just speaking freely. That's the way that you should create your product reviews. Review something that you believe in. Review something that you know a lot about, and just get practice in doing that. The more practice you have in creating YouTube videos and product reviews, the better you're going to get in it. The very same horrible video that I showed you before, the wealthy affiliate one, this one, I was very horrible when I created that. But I gradually got better and better. My confidence increased, and that's exactly what's going to happen to you. Any good YouTuber that, you know, has a lot of subscribers and makes a lot of money and does really, really well, they never started off being professional or anything like that. They started off from regular videos, and that may be more than enough for you to get started with affiliate marketing. So with that said, thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please leave it below this video, and this video will also be included on the website that I will link to below, which is this one, How to Do Affiliate Marketing on YouTube Step by Step, and it's basically going to cover the exact same steps but in more detail that I talked about in this video. And you're welcome to leave a comment there. On that website, I also help people get started with affiliate marketing, so if you have questions on that, you can also check out my affiliate income reports. I actually make a full-time income with this stuff. And with that said, thanks for watching.